Tara from Horizon Day Camp in Baltimore. I am so happy to be back with another episode of Tasty Time with Tara. On this week's episode, we are going to be making apple donuts. So yummy! Let's get started. For this edible craft, we will need a few materials. We will need apples with the middle cut out and cut into slices so they look like little donuts. Then we will need some kind of spread, such as cream cheese, yogurt, or peanut butter, or Nutella, which I used for the example donuts. And then we will need toppings. And this can be whatever topping you'd like. So for the example donuts, I used mini chocolate chips, and then I used pretzels. And today I'll be using bananas and some granola and some chopped nuts, but you can really use whatever, chopped berries, sprinkles, or small crunchy cereal, anything that you think will be yummy with your donuts. Once you have all of your ingredients picked out and set up, you can get started with creating your donut. First, I'm going to spread yogurt on my apple slice. Perfect, my apple slice is covered. And then I'm going to add my toppings. Donut is finished. For my second donut, I will be using cream cheese and granola. These two donuts, they look so cute and yummy. I had so much fun creating these healthy snacks with you today. If you end up doing this activity at home, please post a picture of your donut or comment what yummy ingredients you used. I can't wait to see them. Thanks for watching. Bye!